So we hope you're still having fun. Are you still having fun? This place is huge. So we're gonna do something cool now. We're gonna break this down a little bit for an intimate, a little different. I mean, it's not a very intimate environment or anything like that, but we're gonna break it down for you guys. We do a little acapella. I'd like to call my friends up here to sing some of the song with me. You guys coming up? They're very shy, so please give them a warm welcome, everybody. Me. You guys all warmed up? Me. Ready? You gotta get close. There's only one microphone. This is too close. Shh. I'm at a payphone trying to call home all of my change I spent on you. When the time's come, baby, it's all wrong with all the plans we made for two. Happy ever after didn't exist. I would still be holding you like this, and all those fairy tales are full of shit. One more fucking love song, I'll be sick. I thought that sounded good. You guys think it sounded good? That was one of our best ones. Thank you guys for making one of our best ones. What a beautiful night, by the way. Look at this. Look at this night. Pretty incredible. And also, guys, thank you for being so awesome tonight. We love you. Yeah, I know it.